This series is about balance, so don't rush in this series, do it slowly with me. Let's start. Come in mountain. Come in mountain. So here we are in mountain. And now bring your right leg forward. Lift the back leg up. The left leg is raised. Definitely the left should be raised so that there is no confusion. Start getting up with namaste in your hands like this. For 3, 2, 1. Now slowly bring this leg, the back leg forward. उसका toe पकड़ेंगे ऐसे. फ्री हैंड से अपना वेस्ट पकड़ेंगे और इस लेग को बाहर निकालेंगे ऐसे. अभी अगर मुझसे ये नहीं हो रहा तो मैं इसको यहाँ से पकड़ूंगी. We have started with the series actually. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take this leg back like this and now put both hands down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring this leg back and put the right armpit over your right knee and the toe and the hand is in one line. This hand is over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now form namaste and take this left elbow on the right side at the back so that we get into twist. And the back leg heel is on mat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your hands down. Now bring the back leg forward from here, idhar se, like this and sit. Now you are seated and now you are in Mastendasana or Vakrasana. Hold right leg with left hand and twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come in center and sit in half boat pose. 5, 4, 3. Now come in full boat. 5, 4, 3. Now with support or without support in Malasana. If you cannot do Malasana, then directly come into slow. First round done. Now come in mountain and expel your breath. Now bring your right leg forward. This time also lift the left leg up and start forming namaste. See, if you are not able to do namaste, then put your hand down and try to raise the back leg like this. 2, 1. Now bring the back leg forward. Hold its toe and from free hand hold your waistline. Hold the balance. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly take this leg back and now take your both hands down. Now bring the back leg on the mat and put the right armpit on right knee and the other hand is over your head. 3, 2, 1. Now form namaste and take this left elbow on the right side of your leg and twist. 3, 2, 1. Put your both hands down and bring the back leg under your right leg and sit gently on the mat. Hold this right leg with left hand. Get into Mastendasana. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come at center. Look forward. Come in half boat. 3, 2, 1. Now come in full boat. 3, 2, 1. With or without support in Malasana or maybe directly into slow. And now into mountain. From mountain, always take a deep breath. Expel your breath. Now bring your right leg forward. The left leg is back. Lift up. Now this time not forming namaste. For your assistance. 3, 2, 1. Now with help of a wall, I have brought my left leg forward and I am keeping my left hand on the wall. And I am holding my left leg like this. Maybe like this or maybe like this. 3, 2, 1. Now take this leg back with help of the wall if you are doing it. And get down with help of the palm now. Keep the back leg on the mat and put the right armpit on the right knee. Everything is in one line over your head. 3, 2, 1. Form namaste. Get into twist mode. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down and sit gently. Get into Mastendasana. Twist. 3, 2, 1. Slowly look forward. Come into half boat. 3, 2, 1. Come into full boat. 3, 2, 1. With or without support into Malasana or directly into slow. Now come in mountain. Expel your breath. Bring your right leg forward. Come into balance with namaste or maybe with help of wall. 3, 2, 1. Now bring your back leg forward and hold it, stop. 3, 2, 1. Take this leg back, both hands down. 3, 2, 1. Bring this leg down, right armpit on your right knee. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Form Namaste, get into twist mode. 3, 2, 1. Slowly put your palms down, bring the back leg forward. Sit in Matsyendrasana. Hold your front leg with left hand. Other hand is near to your hip joint, back straight and twisted. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come at center. Come in half board pose. 3, 2, 1. Come in full board pose. 3, 2, 1. With or without support in Malasana or directly into slope. 5th round. Now come in mountain. Expel your breath. Bring your right leg forward. Take your left leg up. Form Namaste. 5, 4, 3. Bring the back leg forward. Hold it still. This is Ekpadha Spandangusthasana. 5, 4, 3. Take this leg back. Take your hand down. Both hands down. Keep the back leg on the mat. Keep right armpit on right knee. Other hand is over your head. 3, 2, 1. Form Namaste. Twist back. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your palms down. Sit in Ardha Matsyendrasana. Hold its hand with left hand. Right hand is at back. 3, 2, 1. Slowly sit and come in half board pose. 3, 2, 1. Full board pose. 3, 2, 1. Slowly with help of Malasana or no Malasana, come into slope. Now from slope, take a deep breath. Expel your breath. Come in mountain. Now from mountain, start bringing your left leg forward and the right is up. Form Namaste. 3, 2, 1. Bring your right leg forward. Hold it, stop. Come in Haspadangusthasana. 3, 2, 1. Slowly take it back. Now hands are getting down. Come in one leg balance. 3, 2, 1. Bring your hand down, leg down. 3, 2, 1. Put your left armpit on your left knee and hold. 3, 2, 1. Form Namaste and take your right elbow towards the left side. Twist. 3, 2, 1. Put your hands down and start getting the right leg at the back. Sit in Matsyendrasana. Now hold this left leg with help of right hand and twist. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come at center. Come in half board pose. 3, 2, 1. Full board. 3, 2, 1. With or without support in Malasana. Now start into slope. Now into mountain. Expel your breath. Bring your left leg forward. Get into balance mode with Namaste in your hand or maybe palms on the mat or on the wall. 3, 2, 1. Bring the back leg forward. Come into Haspadangusthasana. 3, 2, 1. Take it back. Get into balance. 3, 2, 1. Come into Ashwa. Now put your left armpit on left knee and stretch. 3, 2, 1. Form Namaste. Take your right elbow towards left side. Look back. 3, 2, 1. Slowly put your palm down and take your right leg towards left side like this. Sit in Matsyendrasana. Left hand, right hand forward, left hand back. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come at center. Come in half board. 3, 2, 1. Come in full board. 3, 2, 1. Sit in Malasana. Come in slope. Come in mountain. Bring your left leg forward. Back leg up. Form Namaste or no Namaste. 3, 2, 1. Bring this leg forward. Hold it still. Take leg out. 3, 2, 1. Now start taking this leg back and both hands down. 3, 2, 1. Take this leg down and put your left armpit on left knee and stretch. 3, 2, 1. Form Namaste. Take your right elbow towards left side. Overpassing your left knee. Look back. 3, 2, 1. Put your palms down. Bring the right leg at the back. Come in Mastendasana. Right hand is forward, left is back near to hip joint. Back is straight but twisted. 3, 2, 1. Slowly at center, come in half boat. 3, 2, 1. Come in full boat. 3, 2, 1. Without or with support in Malasana. And now in slow. From slow, come in mountain. Expel your breath. Bring your left leg forward. Come into balance mode with Namaste in your hand. 3, 2, 1. Bring this leg forward. Come into Haspadangusthasana. 3, 2, 1. Take this leg back and come into balance. 3, 2, 1. Come into Ashvasanchanan and your left armpit or your left knee. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Form Namaste and twist. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly sit in Mastendasana like this and twist. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come in half boat pose and sit. 3, 2, 1. Full boat. 3, 2, 1. Finally, for the last time, sit in Malasana or no Malasana. Come in slow. Now come in mountain. Expel your breath. Now bring your left leg forward with Namaste or no Namaste or palms on the mat, on the wall. 3, 2, 1. Bring this leg forward. Hold your waistline. Haspadangusthasana is here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring this leg down. Get into balance. 3, 2, 1. Bring this leg down. Put your left armpit on left knee. Stretch. 3, 2, 1. Form Namaste. Take this right elbow on the left side. Twist. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your palms down and take this leg inward towards the left side in Mastendasana. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come forward. Sit in half boat pose. 3, 2, 1. Come in full. 3, 2, 1. Get down and relax.